Hello everyone, this week's trade is Euro JPY, a pair cut between two heavyweight economies, both moving cautiously on policy. Now, the dovish outcome in Japan pressured the yen, pushing the pair to its all-time high despite the political noise we are seeing in France. And now traders are not focused on headlines, but on what's measurable, which is rate gaps and the technical signals. So let's check the technicals. On the daily chart, Euro JPY opened with a gap higher this week after Japan's dovish election outcome, extending the bullish structure that's been in place since April. The move reinforced the broader uptrend, so the pair now trades near historically stretched levels. Now, if we check the 4-hour chart, it shows well-defined bullish momentum with higher lows respecting the ascending trend line. What stands out is the convergence of the 20, 50, and 100 period moving averages around 174, acting as a structural base. RSI remains elevated, well above 70, suggesting overextension, but not a reversal yet. Now, if we zoom into the 1-hour chart, momentum stays positive, but short-term signals are mixed. A bullish MA crossover confirms trend support, while the recent double top near 176.2 shows hesitation at resistance. A correction toward 175.5 and 175 is possible. These are levels that align with the previous highs and the 50-hour moving average. On a broader time frame, 174 remains major support, while the unfilled gap near 173 acts as a magnet should the euro weaken or the Bank of Japan's tone shift unexpectedly. For now, bullish momentum prevails, but traders should watch for a short-term breather before any sustained push higher. We have key resistance at 176.2, 177 and 177.75. The key supports 175, 174, and 173.